Remember when we used to buy things, like actually own them? Yeah, me neither. Welcome to the age of the subscription, where everything from your music to your socks arrives at your doorstep, with the persistent rhythm of a drumbeat you can't quite escape. We've traded ownership for access, enticed by the allure of convenience and affordability. But behind this facade of seamless service lies a complex web of algorithms and psychological nudges designed to keep us hooked. This isn't just about Netflix or Spotify anymore. We're talking meal kits, clothes, razors, software, even cars. You name it, there's probably a subscription for it. So buckle up. We're about to dive deep into the subscription economy, where your data is the currency. Who's building this subscription matrix, you ask? It's not just tech bros with hoodies and lattes. It takes a village, a very specific village of data scientists, psychologists, and UX designers. Data scientists are the architects of the algorithm, the invisible hand guiding your every click. They analyze your browsing habits, purchase history, and even how long you hover over that add to cart button. This data is then fed into algorithms that predict what you want, when you want it, and how much you're willing to pay. They craft those sleek interfaces, intuitive navigation menus, and oh-so-easy sign-up processes. They know that the fewer clicks it takes to subscribe, the more likely you are to do it. And when it comes to canceling, let's just say they make sure it's not as simple as it should be. Psychologists understand the nuances of human behavior, leveraging principles of scarcity, loss aversion, and social proof to nudge you towards that sweet subscription. These three professions work in unison, their expertise converging to create an ecosystem that's both engaging and subtly manipulative. Ever find yourself staring at your credit card statement, wondering, what the hell is this charge for? You, my friend, might be suffering from a common ailment in the digital age: subscription amnesia. It starts innocently enough. You sign up for a free trial, seduced by the promise of exclusive content or a discounted first month. But life gets in the way. You forget to cancel before the trial ends, and suddenly you're locked into a recurring payment you barely even use. This amnesia is no accident. It's a calculated byproduct of the subscription model, designed to exploit our inherent forgetfulness and aversion to loss. Companies bank on the fact that it's easier to let a subscription roll over than to go through the hassle of canceling. A recent study found that the average person spends hundreds of dollars per year on unused subscriptions. Subscription amnesia also creates a sense of mental clutter, a nagging feeling of being nickel and dime by 1,000 tiny charges. So why are businesses so obsessed with subscriptions? One word: predictability. Unlike the roller coaster of one-time purchases, subscriptions offer a steady, predictable stream of revenue. This predictable revenue stream allows businesses to forecast future earnings with a level of accuracy that would make a Wall Street analyst weep with joy. They can invest in new products and services, expand into new markets, and generally do all the things that businesses do when they're flush with cash. But it goes beyond just financial stability. Subscriptions also foster customer loyalty. By keeping customers engaged with their products and services on a regular basis, businesses can build stronger relationships and reduce churn. This shift towards subscription models has fundamentally changed the way businesses operate. With great subscription power comes, you guessed it, great regulatory scrutiny. As the subscription economy has exploded, so too have concerns about unfair business practices, data privacy, and consumer protection. Governments around the world are scrambling to catch up, implementing new regulations and guidelines aimed at making the subscription market a little less like the Wild West. These regulations often focus on transparency, requiring companies to clearly disclose subscription terms, cancellation policies, and data usage practices. But let's be real. Navigating the regulatory landscape is often a game of cat and mouse. Companies are constantly finding new and creative ways to push the boundaries of what's permissible, often exploiting loopholes and ambiguities in the law. Remember those data scientists we talked about earlier? Well, they're not just there to make pretty graphs. They play a crucial role in the subscription game, using the power of big data to personalize your experience and keep you hooked. Every click, every swipe, every pause, and every replay is meticulously tracked and analyzed. This data is then fed into sophisticated algorithms that create a detailed profile of your preferences, predicting what you'll want next before you even know it yourself. This personalized approach is what makes the subscription model so compelling. It's no longer a one-size-fits-all approach. But this level of personalization comes at a cost: your privacy. As the subscription economy continues to expand, many consumers are experiencing a sense of fatigue. It's not just about the financial burden of managing multiple subscriptions, but also the mental toll of navigating this complex and often overwhelming landscape. Choice fatigue is a real phenomenon. With so many options available, it can be difficult to even know where to start, let alone make informed decisions about which subscriptions are right for us. Then there's the issue of subscription management. Keeping track of multiple subscriptions, each with its own billing cycle, cancellation policy, and customer service hotline, can feel like a full-time job. This feeling of being overwhelmed can lead to a sense of apathy, with consumers simply giving up on trying to manage their subscriptions effectively. The subscription economy is a double-edged sword. On the one hand, it offers undeniable convenience, affordability, and personalization. It's revolutionized the way we consume content, products, and services, providing access to a wider range of options than ever before. But this convenience comes at a cost. We're often unaware of the complex mechanics at play, the algorithms that track our every move, and the psychological nudges that influence our decisions. As consumers, it's crucial to be aware of these dynamics. The subscription economy is here to stay, but by understanding how it works, we can navigate it more effectively, making informed choices that align with our values and our wallets.